Today's traditional data platforms are mostly passive. You build them and hope users engage with insights. Microsoft Fabric changes this with generative AI, Copilot, and AI agents that are proactive, so they monitor, act, recommend, and even communicate automatically. First, Fabric accelerates developer productivity by using generative AI to write code instantly and intelligent agents that monitor pipelines in real time. These agents catch errors or inefficiencies that can fix issues automatically, minimizing downtime and letting developers focus on high-value work. Second, conversational AI democratizes business intelligence. Tools like executive summarizers generate clear, concise reports, and users can ask for custom Power BI insights with natural language, making analytics accessible without technical skills. Third, intelligent feedback agents analyze customer and operational data at scale. GenAI-driven tools listen to calls, extract sentiment, summarize reviews, and provide real-time coaching, boosting service quality and continuous improvement. Lastly, AI-driven data enrichment and anomaly detection are built into workflows, from scanning images for defects to real-time anomaly alerts and automatic remediation. Fabric embeds intelligence throughout the data lifecycle to ensure quality and operational health as data scales. This combination fundamentally transforms data platforms from passive repositories into intelligent, autonomous systems that drive faster, smarter business outcomes. Today, teams need instant, tailored insights from their enterprise data, not just generic answers. Intelligent, domain-specific copilots make this possible, acting as a smart assistant that understands the unique needs of each business area. This solution leverages powerful Azure AI services to create intelligent, domain-specific copilots that deliver fast, relevant, and human-like responses from enterprise documents using a retrieval-augmented generation RAG workflow. Here's how it works. Users interact with a chatbot hosted on an Azure web app, sending queries that are securely processed through managed identity. The queries are forwarded to Azure AI Search, which organizes and retrieves the most relevant information by matching the meaning of the query with indexed documents using OpenAI generated embeddings. These relevant passages are combined with the user query and passed to the OpenAI GPT-4o LLM model, which generates clear, context-aware, and accurate responses. The chatbot then delivers these answers back to the users instantly. All components are managed via Azure AI Studio, providing a secure, scalable platform to handle data indexing, embeddings, and AI model operations. By integrating fast semantic search with advanced natural language generation, this approach empowers organizations to build intelligence, role-specific copilots that help business teams explore data and gain insights effortlessly. Generating comprehensive documentation for thousands of Power BI measures across hundreds of reports can be daunting and manual. Microsoft Fabric Semantic Link, combined with Power BI and OpenAI, transforms this process into an automated, scalable solution. Using Fabric Semantic Link, we automatically extract metadata directly from datasets, including complex DAX measures. OpenAI then converts these intricate formulas and calculations into clear natural language expressions that are easy for business users to understand. This automated documentation can be seamlessly integrated into DevOps pipelines, allowing teams to review and govern content before publishing. This ensures both accuracy and compliance with organizational standards. Finally, the up-to-date documentation is embedded directly into Power BI reports, enhancing user comprehension and empowering stakeholders to make data-driven decisions with confidence. Together, this approach eliminates tedious manual documentation efforts, improves transparency, and drives greater adoption of Power BI insights across the organization.